Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a GIF on Procreate that you can add to videos. So I'll first click the plus sign, and I made an untitled canvas that is the size of a screen, which is 1920 by 1080. I'm going to open that. So what I want the GIF to be is a sun rising from the corner and ending over in this corner and then twisting a little bit and moving around. So to do that, I'm on a layer 1. I'm going to draw the sun that I want. You could also trace a sun that you find on Google. That's what I want. Once you're happy with your sun, I'm going to select it, make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to move it down to where I want my starting position to be. So now each layer is going to be the next keyframe of the GIF. I'm going to duplicate the layer. Now I'm on the second layer, which is called layer 1 because I duplicated it. I'm going to move it slightly up. Maybe twist it a little bit. I'm going to duplicate that one. Do it again. I want it to end there. Now I'm just going to duplicate them and twist them so that it's going to look like it's moving back and forth. So now I'm going to get rid of the background because this will overlay on the video, so I don't want it to have any background. Going to the wrench, click share, animated GIF. Now you can slow it down, frames per second. Now it's going up and then slightly twisting. The alpha threshold, you see how some of the rays got cut off? That's kind of what the alpha threshold is for removing the background. And then all you do is click export and then share it with your computer, or you can send it as a message or an email and then add it to your video.